Hello YouTube, today we've got a really special unboxing video of my brand new inbox 1994 HVC 200 Henry by Numatic. I think the title pretty much says it as it is, and we should get unboxing. So this is the original box. They actually featured the HVC model, if you look, for quite a while on the boxes, up until about 1996 I believe. That's when they changed the box. So it went from Numatic International and it went to it says Birmingham, but they bought, it says carton 4 of 12, so they must have bought 12 units. It's a 94, it's red with the black top, and it's 240 volts. So as we open it, we can see we've got the warranty card for it, and under the warranty card there is a genuine bag for it. As you can see here, we've got the floor tool, and then we've got the upholstery tool with the brush, the soft dusting brush, the crevice tool, and the tapered adapter. Got the hose, and the metal tubes. And the most important part itself is Henry. Look at that. Now this is the second machine I've actually bought this week that's been new in box, and they've both been Henrys bizarrely, so it must be a good week. As you can see, it's a 94 and it's absolutely immaculate. That's absolutely fantastic. This is the old style bucket as well, so very similar to the HVC. And what we'll do is, I will do a video this week trying it out. Quite possibly. I'm a bit unsure yet whether I want to use this and the 2001 model I've got, but I think I will have to do a demo of them both. I think it'd be rude not to have a go with them. So thank you very much for watching this quick unboxing. Thank you very much.